Dear students, let us start our class. Listen, the question is, find the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8. Find the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8. Okay. Here you have given 8n plus 5. That is the nth term of the sequence is 8n plus 5. Now we have to find out the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8. Then our general form of nth term is or arithmetic sequence is an plus b. Okay, here we know that the common difference of the sequence is 8. So the divisor is 8. Now we have to find out the terms of the sequence. First term is 8 into 1 plus 5. Put n is 1. That is 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. Second term is 8 into 2 plus 5. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 5. That is 21. Now third term 8 into 3 plus 5. 8 into 3 is 24 plus 5 is 29. So the terms of the given sequence are 13, 21, 29 and so on. Now let us divide 13 by 8. What we get? 1 into 8, 8. The remainder is 5. Okay. Let us take the second term 21. 21 by 8. How many 8s are there in 21? Yes, 2. 2 into 8, 16. Remainder is 5. Then let us check the third term 29. 29 by 8. How many times 8 in 29? 3. 3 into 8, 24. The remainder is 5. Okay. So we can say that the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8 is 5. Okay. The remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8 is 5. Okay. So the remainder is 5. Okay. Here we have to divide the number 8. Number by 8. Okay. So the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 8n plus 5 by 8 is 5. Okay. Second question. Find the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 4n plus 6 by 4. Here you have given the nth term of the sequence is 4n plus 6. Okay. Same as in the last question, let us find out the terms. First term 4 into 1 plus 6. That is 4 plus 6, 10. Second term 4 into 2 plus 6. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. The next third term 4 into 3 plus 6. 4 into 3, 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Now let us divide these terms by 4. 10 by 4. What we get? Yes, 2 times 4 is 8. The remainder is 2. Next, 14. 14 by 4. What we get? 3 times 4, 12. Remainder is 2. The next, third number, 18. 18 by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. The remainder is 2. So we can say that the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 4n plus 6 by 4 is 2. Okay. The remainder is 2. Okay. So you just listen. Let us divide 6 as 4 plus 2. That is 4n plus 6 is 4n plus 4, then plus 2. That is 4 into n plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Here the remainder is 2. So if we divide each terms of the sequence 4n plus 6 by 4, the remainder is 2. Okay. The question is, find the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 3n minus 2 by 3. Okay. Then nth term is 3n minus 2. We have to find out the first term. What is the first term? 3 into 1 minus 2. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 2. That is 1. Next, second term. Second term is 3 into 2 minus 2. That is 6 minus 2, 4. Third term, 3 into 3 minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Then fourth term, 3 into 4 minus 2. 12 minus 2, 10, and so on. The terms of the sequence are 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Okay. Now, if we divide 1 by 3, what we get? Yes, the remainder is 1. Here 0 into 3, 0. Then remainder is 1. Next, 4. 4 by 3. 1 into 3, 3. Remainder is 1. Next, 7. 7 by 3. 2 into 3, 6. Remainder is 1. That is, we can say that the remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 3n minus 2 by 3 is 1. Yes. The remainder on dividing each terms of the sequence 3n minus 2 by 3 is 1. Yes. The algebraic form of some arithmetic sequences are given below. First, xn equals 2n plus 1. Let us find out the terms. First term, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Second term, x2, 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Third term, 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7. 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now, what is the first term of the sequence? First term is 3. Common difference. Can you say what is the common difference of this sequence? 3, 5, 7, etc. Common difference is 2. First term of the sequence 2n plus 1 is 3 and common difference is 2. Then take second one. Xn is 5n minus 1. Let us find out the first term. X1 is 5 into 1 minus 1. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Next, second term x2. Yes, what is the second term? 5 into 2 minus 1. This is 10 minus 1, so 9. Okay, then third term 5 into 3 minus 1. 5 into 3, 50. 15 minus 1, 40. Terms are 4, 9, 14, etc. Yes, what is the first term? First term is x1, that is 4. Common difference of this sequence 4, 9, 14, etc. 4, 9, 14. So 5. First term is 4, common difference is 5. Next, here sequence is, nth term of the sequence is minus 4n plus 1. First term minus 4 into 1 plus 1. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1. What is the value of minus 4 plus 1? Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Now find out the second term. Minus 4 into 2 plus 1. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 plus 1. Then minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. Next, let us find out the third term. x3. Minus 4 into 3 plus 1. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 1. Minus 12 plus 1. Minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Okay. First term is x1 is minus 3. It is the common difference. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, etc. are the terms. So what is the common difference of this sequence? Minus 4n plus 1. Okay. Minus 7 minus 3. That is minus 7. Minus 3 is plus 3. That is minus 7 plus 3 is minus 7 plus 3. This is minus 4. So first term is minus 3 and common difference is minus 4. Fourth one, the nth term is 6n minus 5. Xn is 6n minus 5. Let us find out the terms of the sequence. First term 6 into 1 minus 5. That is 6 minus 5, 1. Second term x2. Second term is 6 into 2 minus 5. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 minus 5. What is the value of 12 minus 5? 7. Then x3. x3 is 6 into 3 minus 5. 6 into 3, 18. 18 minus 5. That is 30. The terms are 1, 7, 30, etc. First term is 1. Common difference 1, 7, 30, etc. So what is the common difference of this sequence? 6n minus 5. This is 6. Okay. So first term is 1, common difference is 6. Okay. Now let us tabulate this data. Okay. Children, listen to the table. First column, nth term of the sequence. Then second, first term, common difference, coefficient of n, sum of the coefficients. Then the nth term of first one is 2n plus 1. Okay, we already got the first term is 3 and the common difference is 2. Now we have to write the coefficient of n. Listen, what is the coefficient of this n? Coefficient of n is 2. Next column, sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients. What is that? 2 plus 1. This is 3. Okay. Second, 5n minus 1. Here we already got the first term as 4, common difference as 5. Now we want to write the coefficient of n. Coefficient of n is 5. Next, sum of the coefficients. What is the sum of the coefficients? Here 5 and minus 1. So 5 plus minus 1. 5 plus minus 1 is 4. Next, minus 4n plus 1. Here the first term is minus 3, common difference is minus 4. Now what is the coefficient of n? Listen, coefficient of n is minus 4. Next, sum of the coefficients. Which are the coefficients? Minus 4 and 1. So minus 4 plus 1. This is minus 3. Next, 6n minus 5. 6n minus 1. Minus 5. First term is 1. Common difference is 6. Next, what is the coefficient of n? Here 6. Next, sum of the coefficients. Here 6 and 5 are the coefficients. So 6 plus minus 5. Here 6 and minus 5 are the coefficients. So sum is 6 plus minus 5. 6 plus minus 5 is 1. Okay. Now listen this table. First term 3. Sum of the coefficient is also 3. Here 4. Sum of the coefficients is also 4. Then in third case, first term minus 3 and sum of the coefficients is also minus 3. Next, in fourth case, first term 1, sum of the coefficients is also 1. Next, common difference. First case, common difference is 2. Here coefficient is n is 2. In the second case, common difference 5. Coefficient of n is 5. In the third case, common difference minus 4. Coefficient of n is minus 4. Then next, common difference 6. Coefficient of n is also 6. So we can conclude from this table, coefficient of n is the common difference. Next, we can say that the sum of the coefficients is the first term. Second one is sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients is the first term. Okay, next you just listen to these algebraic forms. 2n plus 1, 5n minus 1, minus 4n plus 1, 6n minus 5. Now we can say that the algebraic form is a first degree polynomial. Okay, algebraic form is a first degree polynomial. Algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence is a first degree polynomial. Okay, so what are the conclusions? Coefficient of n is the common difference. Second one is sum of the coefficients is the first term. Now next, algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence is a first degree polynomial. Did you remember the standard form? We discussed in 9th standard. The standard form of a first degree polynomial is ax plus b. Okay, first degree polynomial ax plus b. So the nth term or algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence is a first degree polynomial. Then we already discussed nth term is dn plus f minus d. Okay, the coefficient of n is d and the constant term is f minus d, that is the difference between first term and common difference. Here also this is an plus b. So from this table, coefficient of n is the common difference, that is these are the common difference. Next, sum of the coefficients is the first term. Next, algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence is a first degree polynomial. Here nth term is dn plus f minus d. If we add d plus f minus d, coefficients, coefficient of n is d and the other is f minus d, or constant term is f minus d. Just we can cancel d and minus d. What is remaining? F. Okay, that is the first term. Clear? Today's class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.